हेलो एवरीवन। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज की क्लास में हम विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ पे एमसीक्यूज़ की बात करेंगे। सो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। वर्ड्सवर्थ वॉज बॉर्न एट कॉकरमाउथ इन 1770। वर्ड्सवर्थ फादर्स नेम वॉज जॉन वर्ड्सवर्थ। वर्ड्सवर्थ spent his boyhood among shepherds. Wordsworth was the second son of his parents. When Wordsworth was 8 years of his age, his mother died. Wordsworth lost his father at the age of 14 years. Wordsworth went to Cambridge to get his education at St. John College. Wordsworth visited France. How many times? Twice. An Evening Walk and descriptive sketches were published by Wordsworth in 1793. In An Evening Walk and descriptive sketches, Wordsworth used regular classic couplet. His friendship with Coleridge began in 1796. Lyrical ballads were published in 1798. Lyrical ballads were published with the help of Coleridge. Wordsworth married in 1802 and he married Mary Hutchinson. Dorothy is Wordsworth's sister who had left Wordsworth a small legacy. His friend Raleigh Cloward, his wife, was his cousin. Wordsworth began his family life first in Lake District. Wordsworth was made poet laureate in 1843. Wordsworth wrote a large number of lyrics. According to Wordsworth, a poet has greater knowledge of human nature. In his lyrics, Wordsworth can stir the deepest emotion by simple means. Thus nature spoke, the work was done is Wordsworth's line from Lucy poems. Wordsworth gave charm to things of every day. Wordsworth generally chose for his poetry low and rustic life. Wordsworth's autobiographical poem is The Prelude. Wordsworth received his first honorary degree from the University of Durham. Wordsworth was awarded another honorary degree by the University of Oxford. Wordsworth became the supporter of a French political party called Girondist Party. Wordsworth wrote a letter in favor of French Revolution to Cardiff. Back in England, Wordsworth found conservative opinion strongly running against the French Revolution. The rise of Napoleon made Wordsworth the opponent of French Revolution. Lyrical ballads mark both the development of Romanticism and Naturalism. Who wrote The Thorn and the Idiot Boy? Wordsworth. Wordsworth wrote the principal object proposed in these poems was to choose incidents and situations from common life. In which poem? In preface to second publication of Lyrical Ballads. Who wrote the poems Twice and Deserted Village? Wordsworth. Wordsworth is a poet in complete contrast to Alexander Pope. नेक्स्ट है हमारा हु इज कॉल्ड द कीनेस्ट आई ऑफ ऑल मॉडर्न पोएट्स फॉर वॉट इज डीप एंड इसेंशियल इन नेचर? वर्ड्सवर्थ. एवरी टच इन वर्ड्सवर्थ पोएट्री इज ट्रू टू द कॉपिंग ऑफ लिटरेरी phrase but it is the result of direct observation. Wordsworth gives expression to his philosophy of life in Ode on the Intimations of Immortality. For Wordsworth, the embodiment of divine spirit was nature. In Intimations of Immortality, his most cherished belief is our earliest institutions are the truest. Wordsworth is famous for his lyrics, sonnets, short descriptive poems, and odes. Wordsworth's longer poems contain much that is prosy and uninteresting. In 1805, Wordsworth finished his poem The Prelude. The second book of the poem Recluse, written by Wordsworth, is The Excursion. Who said about Wordsworth that he uttered nothing but Tennyson? The Excursion is included in his philosophical poetry. Wordsworth died in 1850. Next है हमारा in 1813 Wordsworth was appointed as distributor of stands for Lake District. Wordsworth visited Germany in 1798 along with his sister Dorothy and Coleridge. Westminster Bridge, written by Wordsworth, is a sonnet. Wordsworth is next to Shakespeare in the writing of sonnets. The number of Wordsworth's sonnet is approximately 500. The third book of Recluse was never completed. Wordsworth was deficient in dramatic power. Wordsworth's love of nature comprised of 4 stages. Wordsworth addressed which poem to Coleridge? The Prelude. The Sparrow's Nest and Intimations of Early Childhood were written by Wordsworth. In Lyrical Ballads, Wordsworth registered his protest against artificial poetic diction. Wordsworth's poem To Milton is a sonnet. नेक्स्ट है हमारा ड्यूरिंग रिवॉल्यूशनरी पीरियड द होल ट्रेंड ऑफ वर्ड्सवर्थ राइटिंग वाज टुवर्ड्स सिंप्लीफिकेशन ऑफ लाइफ. द नंबर ऑफ ecclesiastical sonnets written by Wordsworth is 132. According to Wordsworth, man is a part of nature. Who wrote The World is Too Much with Us? Wordsworth. Wordsworth regarded nature as a moral teacher and loving mother. Lowell said, Wordsworth is the historian of Lake District. First book of the Prelude is concerned with the first stage of the role of nature. While at Lake District, Wordsworth's family consisted of 3 persons who said the revolution in its earliest phases involved no revolution in Wordsworth's mental life. Relia. Next है हमारा what was the reaction of Wordsworth when England declared war on France? He was enraged. Who brought a democratic role note in English poetry? Wordsworth. What humanized Wordsworth's soul? French Revolution. Who wrote The Seaside and Daffodils? Wordsworth. Who wrote Lucy and My Heart Leaps Up? Wordsworth. Wordsworth planned lyrical ballads with Coleridge in 1797. Wordsworth's best work was done between 1796 and 1808. The Prelude was written between 1799 and 1805. The Prelude consists of 14 books. The first edition of the Lyrical Ballads consisted of 23 books. Out of the 23 books of the first edition of Lyrical Ballads, how many were written by Wordsworth? 19. And out of 23 books of the first edition of the Lyrical Ballads, how many were written by Coleridge? 4. The theme of the Prelude is the growth of poet's mind. Which book of the Prelude describes the influence of nature on Wordsworth? Book 2. I wandered lonely as a cloud, ode to duty, and It's a Beauteous Evening have been written by Wordsworth. Wordsworth's political sonnets were 69. Where does the Solitary Reaper take place? Scotland. Who is singing in the Solitary Reaper? A beautiful girl. How will the speaker of the Solitary Reaper remember the young girl? He will carry her song in his heart. What is rare about the Solitary Reaper? It does not come from Wordsworth's own experiences. London 1802 by Wordsworth has been addressed to Milton. Why does Wordsworth want Milton to come back in London 1802? He wants to show England how to be virtuous again. London 1802 is a sonnet. What is Wordsworth looking at in Composed upon Westminster Bridge? A city. Wordsworth wrote We Are Seven with whom? Coleridge. What does the girl in We Are Seven like to do near her dead siblings? Sew, sing and eat her dinner. Who wrote lines written in early spring and a slumber did my spirit seal? Wordsworth. Wordsworth did not admire Alexander Pope. Wordsworth defined poetry as the spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings. Who is Wordsworth referring to whom in Brother, Englishman and Friend? Spenser. Wordsworth and William Blake both emphasized on the value of child experiences. Who wrote the Old Cumberland Beggars and the Leech Gatherers? Wordsworth. Wordsworth breaks with artificial diction of the 18th century. One of the original titles of the prelude was a poem on the growth of an individual mind. The name of Wordsworth's illegitimate daughter was Caroline. In which poem does Wordsworth write, "Let nature be your friend"? The tables turned. In The Tables Turned, Wordsworth tells his friend to stop dancing and go outside. Getting and spending, we lay waste our powers, is from the word is too much with us. So friends, आज की क्लास में इतना ही. See you again. Thank you so much.